Okay, we got an F-150 1992. This thing is a beauty. It's been restored. Basically, we added the Clifford 3105. Ironically, the door locks work perfectly on the vehicle. I'll give you a tour inside. For those who haven't been able to see stuff like this from the past. See? It's a very basic truck, but it will last forever. Very low maintenance, hardly no computers in there, but you know, this is old school 1992. Door locks work great. It's got power window, everything works great. I'm gonna go ahead and close the door. I'll show you the alarm. I'm gonna hit lock. Hooked it up to lock the doors. Unlock. Unlock the doors, both sides. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and arm the system. If somebody tries to break a window or open any of the doors, the alarm will fire off. It's got the starter kill. It's got the antenna right there in the corner of the windshield. Okay. Comes with the blue LED light. It's gonna flash at night. If somebody opens the door, the alarm will trigger. I'll show you the starter kill. Truck won't start. Okay, got the antenna right there in the corner with the blue LED light. Okay, that gives you a range of a football field that you can arm and disarm the alarm. The unit's got panic button, so if you wish to fire the alarm off on the length of a football field, just hold the lock button. Just hold this little guy here and it will lock and unlock the doors. Yeah, little by little, you know, he's fixing up the truck. Later on, we're going to add the Viper unit, so when it fires off, it sends them the alert to the phone, and it will have GPS, and from the app you can arm and disarm it. That's an add-on later. But yeah, I wanted to film it because I don't get to see these type of trucks too often. This is a 1992 F-150, and we went ahead and installed the Clifford 3105 system to it. Numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.